Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, 6th of May. Ayan, nakaraan na ang bank holiday. Tapos na. So, back to work again. As usual. Daily routine. And our weather for today is about 6 degrees. Later, it's gonna be the highest is 15 degrees. So, yun lang everyone. That's it. And let's go to 15 minutes walk and 1 bus. So, see you when I see you everyone. See you later. God bless all and ayong bundag sa tanan, sa mga taga Bisaya and sa mga taga Tagalog. Yun na, magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Buenos dias sa mga Espanyol. Adios, sayonara, and good luck for this day and happy days always. Bye. I am here and they said it's due. So I'm gonna wait for 70 because I'm going to Kilburn. Waiting for the bus. After my early morning work. Now I am here inside the bus and because I want to dami kalapate yun. Kalapati in Kilburn everyone here. Nagpahigpit ng salamin habang wala pang pampasalamin. So there in a Specsavers. Yeah, you see there in Kilburn. So that's it. I need the 98 is due. So come. I've been there. So thank God. Tighten my hindi nasasapat ng ganito. Ayan, time check everyone. 10:15 na. Nagpahigpit ng salamin. Kaya, yun. Ngayon palang pauwi. And dito tayo sa daanan. Grabe, super lamig. Ang lamig ngayon. Nakakaano. Winter today, winter today. Tingnan natin ang wala kasing araw. 11 degrees. 11 degrees naman. Pero cloudy kasi kaya. So, no entry daw. Tingnan niya yung langit everyone. Madilim. Kaya kailangan. Yan mahangin pa. So, ayun muna tayo at na kain again pag uwi. Buy at the moment. Kain tayo everyone. Brunch time. At para makatulog, time check is 10:44. 10:44. 10:44. So, after this nap time. Ayan everyone, good afternoon. Pasok tayo. Hindi ako nakatulog. Marami. Nagligpit lang ako. And maraming inisip, okupat. So, ayun lang. And 15:38 time check. So, ayan. Kulimlim na maala. May araw na ewan, pabago-bago ang araw, ang panahon. So, that's it at the moment. See you later, everyone. Bye-bye. See you after 2 trains and 5 minutes walk going to the what do you call that? Ako na memory gap na ako sa pag-okupat yung utak mo, yung ganun. Hindi ko maisip kung ano yung sasabihin ko. Kaya, ayun lang everyone. See you later. Hello everyone. Jubilee line is here. It's puno. Okay.
This station is
It's done. It's done. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Busy. Busy sila everyone. Thank you everyone. May mangostana. Ha? Good evening everyone. 21:43. Time check. Kain tayo everyone. Para makatulog ako. And good night. God bless. I love you all.